Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send XDC from crypto.com to your Coinbase wallet. This is especially timely for 2025, as crypto transfers are becoming even more seamless with new updates. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will get you moving your XDC safely and quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the crypto.com app and Coinbase Wallet app installed and updated on your device. Start by opening the crypto.com app and logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select XDC from your list of assets. You'll see your current XDC balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Next, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app. Go to the wallet where you want to receive the XDC, and tap on the Receive button. This will generate a unique wallet address for XDC. Copy that address carefully. It's crucial to get this right to avoid any lost funds. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it across devices if possible. Now, head back to crypto.com. In the XDC wallet, select the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the network fees. For XDC, it's usually on the XDC network, so select that if prompted. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate the transaction with your app's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. After you send it, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to confirm the XDC has arrived. And just like that, you're all set. Wrapping this up, sending XDC from crypto.com to Coinbase wallet is a breeze once you know the steps. Always prioritize security by using official apps and double-checking details. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.